So welcome guys. Before starting the Python basic, we should know that what exactly the computational thinking is. As we all know, that is the programming is based upon only on the thinking process, right? If you think on the right way, then we can reach other result as we want. So whatever we are doing in the program, we just need to do only that what exactly programming we are using, which other procedure we are following. So computational thinking is basically set of techniques and approaches undertaken to solve problem logically. It always takes a complex problem. Guys, remember this. Whenever there is a line there, like what is complex problem and how we can tackle it, then it is always with the result of a computational thinking. And four pillars we have. The one is decomposition, the second one is pattern matching, and the third is abstraction, and the fourth is algorithm. So what is decomposition? Basically, suppose we have a problem, right? And complex problem always, if we need to solve the complex problem, then firstly we should need to analyze that problem. And how we can analyze? We analyze through a smaller or a manageable way. Like firstly we need to divide that particular problem in a smaller way, or we can say in a manageable way. Then we can only, so firstly the first step, which is the first pillar of computational thinking, is decompose the first complex problem in a smaller parts, so that we can get a desired result accordingly. Then is pattern matching. We always find out the similarities of these kind of a smaller parts. Those who have a similar problem, then we can sort out easily, right? Then is abstraction. Abstraction is very important according to the MCQs view, as we are preparing for the KVS. So if you are preparing for the KVS, TGT, PGT, doesn't matter. Abstraction is a word that we have learned through our first standards in the computer file, right? So in computer, abstraction is basically focusing on the important thing and ignoring the rest. Suppose we need to program or we need to add two numbers, and so that we just use a addition operator, right? But this, if what if we use the subtraction operator, so that we can result of the addition? No. So that we need to focus on the important thing and ignoring the rest. That is basically the abstraction. And algorithm is one of the important in term in programming. You can say algorithm is basically step-by-step procedure. What is step-by-step procedure? Suppose I need to add two numbers in a program. So firstly I need a variable, that is a and b, suppose, and then I just find out the operator, that is addition. Then I apply a step-by-step procedure, or you can say in the sequence procedure. Then I get a result of these two. Or suppose I want to input that variable or that value from the user, then I have to find a basic function or input function in the Python language, right? So algorithm is the first step to know the programming language, which is Python, right? So in Python basic, there is a computational thinking. We have four pillars, and four pillars, there is a decomposition, pattern matching, or abstraction, algorithm, right? So if you know this, then only one or two MCQs can come from all these, because it is a theoretical part, but yet it is as much as important as like the programming, because abstraction, algorithm, decomposition, these are the terms that generally comes in our MCQs, right? I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you.